everyone and welcome. Okay, before you click off of this video, if you guys are here because of my DIYs, I really hope you won't leave because of this video. When I started my channel, I did a lot of beauty and makeup stuff just because I love that kind of thing. And I've always tried to kind of do my boxy charms each month. And I honestly was not going to do it this month because I haven't been having a lot of views on them the last few months because, I don't know, I think you guys just don't really like them. But this is a good box. I started to dig in and I was like, oh my gosh, like I have to share this because it's going to be an expensive one. I can feel it. I don't have anything on right now. All I have on right now is some foundation and some brows. And I just want to go ahead and try to use as much stuff as I can from the box. Okay, so I've got my mirror over here. Like I have not done a makeup video in a very long time, so this is very weird. Okay, so before I get into it, if you guys are not familiar with BoxyCharm, it is a monthly subscription makeup box, makeup slash just beauty. There's sometimes hair care, sometimes skincare. And if you subscribe to Boxyluxe, that is a special box that you get every 3 months. It is $25 more, I believe, and you're gonna get a whole lot of goodies. It's like, oh, and by the way, this is not sponsored. I pay for this all on my own. The Boxyluxe, I want to say, is supposed to be over like $200 or $300, but sometimes, a lot of the times, it's worth like almost 500 bucks. So it's totally worth it. I'll put a link down below if you guys want to check it out, if you guys don't know about BoxyCharm. But so the theme for this month is called Bubbles and Glitz, which is very fitting because it's the holidays, and not that we're probably going to be doing much on New Year's, but I'm going to have a lot of fun makeup that I could pretend like I'm going to go out on New Year's. Okay, so the first thing I did see in here, I wanted to open this first because I wanted to put them on. They are these super cute earrings. Now, correct me if I'm wrong. I don't ever recall getting jewelry before in a BoxyCharm, or Boxyluxe, I should say. So cute, and they are so blingy. And these retail for $36. So they're by Zaxi by Stephanie Taylor, Cushion Cut CZ Cubic Zirconia, obviously. Halo stud earrings. These are so cute. They're 2 carat. So yeah, 2 carat. These are adorable. I love how they have like the big stone in the center and then they've got little ones all around the outside. These are so pretty. And yeah, I'm really pleasantly surprised that we got jewelry in here. That's really cool. So this next thing, this is actually something that I did look at the email because I wasn't, like I said, I wasn't planning on sharing this video on my YouTube channel. So I was like, I'll just look and see what I got. Well, I was so excited when I saw that this was one of the items. So this is by Luxie. So if you don't know what Luxie is, they make the best makeup brushes. I have only ever gotten, ooh, this smells kind of like spray paint. I've only ever gotten Luxie brushes like in subscription boxes. I'm assuming you can buy them. I'm sure like on their website. I've never tried. But their brushes are amazing. And this thing is super fancy. You get all of these brushes. Oh my gosh. I was so excited when I saw these. They're really pretty gold, perfect for the holidays. And that is what these look like. They're so pretty. They're so soft. And they're just like, they're really good quality brushes. So I'm going to go through and see. Glitter and gold brush set. This set retails for 85 bucks. So does it say what they are on here? Okay, yeah. So this one is the flat contour. This is a tapered highlighter. This is a foundation brush. Just like a little flat foundation brush like that. I love their eye brushes. They're the best. This is a tapered blending brush. It's just like a normal. This one is an angled, medium angled shading brush. That. There's 3 more. This one is a large shader. Like that. Oh, and this one is a concealer brush. And then this last one is, it's a small angle. So you could do probably just like a liner with this, like if you like to line with eyeshadow or something like that. It's probably a little too soft to do for your brows. I am so picky about my brow brush. Like I found one with Benefit and that one's my favorite one. But these other ones are usually a little too soft. 8 brushes. That is so cool. I'm so excited about these. Okay, next thing in here I'm seeing is called Threesome. Get in a hot mess with Rockin's black, blue, and green glitter gel eye pens. Okay, so these are fun. These retail for 40 bucks. Choose from one of these 3 intense shades: Viridian Green, Midnight Blue, or Beatnik Black. Blend all around the eye to create drama and sparkly dance floor magic. Okay, next thing I'm seeing in here, let me get a wipe. Seems to have leaked a little bit, but oh boy. Okay. Oh, the cap is like completely off. This could have been bad. Yeah, it was totally on wrong. Okay, that could have been much worse. It really didn't. Oh my gosh, I think there's like something wrong with the actual packaging, because it goes on straight and then it gets kind of crooked. Well, all right, I will just make sure I don't tip this over. Reza, is this the guy from Shaws of Sunset? Wait, is it? Reza, Be Obsessed, Love My Leave-In. I'm assuming it's like a, is this Reza's brand? You guys know who I'm talking about? Formulated with the gold infused shield, this leave-in features 7 mystic ingredients: champagne for high shine, crushed diamonds for brilliance, rose of Jericho, am I saying that right, to nourish, pea protein for strength, king coconut oil to fortify, black truffle oil to moisturize, and strawberry seed extract as an antioxidant. It smells really good. I can't really use this right now. I will try it later. Are you supposed to do it on wet hair? Spray on damp hair. Okay, so I will do this next time I wash my hair. This is $22. Okay, the next thing I'm seeing in here is from Avent. Glycolic Intensive Redensifying Glycolic Acid Day Moisturizer. It smells good. So let me see what it says about this. Avent. I just saw the price, you guys. What? The ideal remedy against time, this day moisturizer aims to offer a complete response to signs of skin slacking, which I just turned 40. I think I need that. Revolutionary formula with rich texture combines glycolic acid and mica to correct the effects of epidermal aging and improve skin density, luminosity, and volume. I need this. Guess how much this is? What? $123. That is insane. Okay, so it says apply in the morning after cleansing and applying your serum. So it's kind of like a last thing maybe before your SPF. So I'm gonna squeeze about $5 out onto my hand real quick and just see how it feels. $123, that is crazy. It smells really good. It's really strong and perfumey, but I don't mind that. I actually kind of like it. It feels good. I mean, yeah, my skin definitely looks smooth there. I don't know if you can tell, but like looks a lot smoother there than it does on this hand. Okay, well, I definitely need this because I need anything anti-aging, but $123? Holy moly. Okay, this next thing in here, this looks to be another skincare. This is called Good Genes All-in-One Lactic Acid Treatment from Sunday Riley. Multitasking targeted lactic acid treatment rapidly exfoliates and boosts naturally youthful radiance while visibly reducing the look of lines, wrinkles, and dark spots. Okay, I definitely need that. This thing retails for $85. Holy crap. Just these 2 products alone are over $200. That is insane. Okay, are you sealed? I don't think this one has much of a scent. All I can smell is this one. This one is really powerful. If you guys don't like fragrance, you're not gonna like this one. So directions on this one: apply 1 to 2 pumps to clean dry skin as a leave-on treatment. Can be applied on top of some kind of night oil. So yeah, I'll probably use this at night before bedtime and then use this one in the morning maybe. Okay, moving on. I think there's 2 more things left. This one, oh, this is such pretty packaging. This is from Iconic London. I love that packaging. It's not an eyeshadow palette. I think this is the face palette that I saw. Blaze Chaser Face Palette. And this retails for $55. I haven't done my makeup in so long, like actually done it. Don't laugh at me when I start getting into it because it's probably not gonna be pretty. The last thing in here is from Hip Dot. I've never heard of this brand, but that is a really cute packaging. This is an eyeshadow palette. Take it out. Ooh, those are beautiful. I always say, like, I love the blues, but I don't feel like they look right on me. But we are gonna dig in. I don't care. I'm gonna get crazy and just try some of these. This palette retails for $30. Okay, so I'm going to add it all up and see what the value is, and then we'll just try some stuff on. And I'm not seeing well, there's a number down here, but that's not like the normal variation numbers. So maybe the Boxyluxe were all the same. I'm not sure. All right, I'm gonna add these up real quick. This box, don't laugh at my calculator again, $476. That is crazy. This box was almost $500 again. All right, so the one thing this box didn't come with was a lip gloss, but that's fine because I usually don't like the lip glosses anyways. They're usually too dark. But if you, this is like my favorite lip gloss right now. It's from NYX. It's called Filler Instinct, and it's got plumper, nothing crazy or intense. This one is in Brunch Drunk, and it's just so pretty. It's got a little bit of glimmer, or it's got a little bit of glitter, and I just really, really like it. And by the way, this is the foundation I've been using lately. This stuff is awesome. It's the L'Oreal Age Perfect Radiant Serum Foundation with sunscreen. It is awesome. I get really dry skin, and this like just helps hydrate. I love it. It's, you know, very light coverage. I don't like anything too heavy, but this stuff is awesome. I'm just gonna start playing around with some colors and see what we come up with. So first I'm gonna go in with this light one right here, and I'm using this large shader brush, which is probably not what it's for, but I like to do like a lighter color all over my lid. I think for my crease, I'm just gonna go in with this like light brown color. This is called Subsurface. So I'm gonna go in with this one, and then we will start playing with some of the blues. So I think I'm going to go in with this darker blue, and then I'll finish it off with one of these sparkly ones, I think. And I'm going in with this little angled brush too. I'm gonna go in with this light blue, this rain color, and just kind of put it right here in my crease, or in my inner eye kind of. And then I'm gonna do one of those other ones like on my lid. Now we're gonna go in with this jungle color and just put that. I'm gonna use my finger and just kind of go in the center here. All right, I think that's all I'm gonna do for the eyeshadows, and then I'm gonna try one of these eyeliner pens. I mean, I think we should probably do the blue because that's kind of the look we're going for here. Well, it's glittery, it's glittery on the packaging. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's pretty. All right, let's see what we're working with here. All right, so sorry, this video is getting ridiculously long. So let's just go into this little face palette here. I'm gonna do a little bit of the bronzer and then a little blush and highlight, and then we will be done. I will say, this isn't very pigmented. Yeah, like barely. Wow, all right, well, that's okay. And then the blush, I'm gonna go in with this one right here. I feel like this one has a little shimmer. And then we'll just do it. We'll try out a little bit of the highlighter, use that highlighting brush. Where is that thing? Oh yeah. And I'm just gonna go in with this one right here. All right, I think that, oh wait, I forgot to put on mascara. I'm just gonna put on a little bit of mascara, so just to finish the look. This is just a mascara from Essence. These are my favorite mascaras. I love them. All right, you guys, there you have it. That is my little look. It was fun getting to play with makeup. It's been so long since I've played with any makeup. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys got yours. Did you get a Boxyluxe or did you get the regular BoxyCharm? Was it good? Let me know your thoughts. And if you guys get the Boxyluxe, did you get the same things as me? I'm just wondering if everyone gets the same thing. So yeah, I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.